At 11 a.m. on September 1, 2024, Mr. Lee accidentally backed his car into a wall. The tailgate hadn't been closed properly, and it was damaged in the collision. Right away, Mr. Lee opened the Good Driver Mutuality app to report the incident. He uploaded photos and filled out the accident report information very quickly. A GDM Mutuality advisor reached out to confirm the details and assess the situation. After reviewing everything, the Mutuality advisor confirmed that the event qualified for sharing under the GDM program. Once Mr. Lee's address was verified, the advisor provided him with 5 certified repair shops to choose from within his area. Mr. Lee made his selection, and the Mutuality advisor helped schedule a time for the damage assessment. On September 9, 2024, Mr. Lee took his car to the selected repair shop. The shop completed a full damage report and sent it to GDM for review. After everything was verified, his repair was officially scheduled for September 19th. He was told the repairs would take around 1.5 to 2 weeks because Mr. Lee had signed up for GDM's transportation assistance. When he joined, he was able to rent a car during the repair period. GDM provided $40 per day, up to $1,200 total, saving him a significant amount on his rental. How much did GDM members share to help Mr. Lee? Since damage estimates can change, there were 3 public sharing updates for this event. Initial assessment, $2,065.98 were shared. This was after subtracting Mr. Lee's $250 out-of-pocket cost and his remaining pledge balance of $279.88 from the initial $2,595.86 estimate. Additional damage. Later in the repair, more issues were found. GDM members shared another $3,123.35 to defray these costs. Rental reimbursement. His car rental was reimbursed with a third sharing amount of $480. GDM members contribute a capped weekly amount to support each other's repairs. Plus, GDM made a one-time $2 million contribution to launch the Mutuality program and encourage safe driving and community support. Once the repairs were completed, Mr. Lee received a text notification and picked up his vehicle. Mr. Lee was grateful for the help he received and was impressed with how smoothly everything went. He even invited some friends to join GDM right after. Stay calm during an accident. GDM is here for you.